Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I am in my pajamas. Don't judge me. Sue me. Actually, no, don't sue me. Anyway, today we'll be installing a dash cam in my Ferrari. Why is this a big deal? Well, because this car and most of the Ferraris are extremely temperamental when it comes to any outside battery draw. You even so connect the phone at the wrong time when the car's not in the mood, it'll freak out and probably throw a check engine light. So I came up with an alternative. I'm going to connect this camera using an external battery. I've tested it. It worked with this camera. Lasts approximately 8 hours on continuous charge. Car is happy. I'm happy. Camera's happy. Battery's happy. Everybody's happy. So let's do it. The camera is attached, as you can see. The car is off. It's purely running off the battery. Way better. It has a runtime of about 8 hours. I know that because I tested it at home. I wrapped this cord around the rear view mirror, by the way. This is the look from that side. That's the battery pack. The best part is I can leave it on without worrying depleting the battery. If I'm in a bad neighborhood, the car is gonna run. The camera also has a setting where it detects motion and it also detects movement. Not movement, but when the camera shakes. Forget what I'm saying. Anyway, look at that. Nicely, snugly. If you don't need it, boom. When the battery depletes, I take it off, charge it at home, done. The easiest thing to do is to have two of these and just interchange them.